Hello everyone, we are currently in the process of preparing winter preserves. Here we have plum jam, pepper with garlic, and peach marmalade. You can find the plum jam on our channel. Today we're preparing peppers. And in an upcoming video, you'll be able to see how to make peach marmalade. First, we'll wash all the peppers well. I'm making a batch for 5 kilograms of cleaned peppers. The peppers need to be washed well, since we won't be cooking or baking anything. I've washed the peppers in one round. Now I'll wash them again. I know you all know how to wash peppers. Whether you do it once or twice is your choice. But I'll just show you how I do it. Then take each pepper, cut it down the middle, and remove the seeds and the white membranes. Try not to leave any seeds. Next, take each piece and cut it into slightly larger chunks. Not too large, as they won't release enough juice, but not too small either, because they'll become too soft. Measure out 150 grams of salt and 200 grams of sugar. After cutting the peppers, add sugar, salt, 500 milliliters of vinegar, 9% alcohol vinegar, and 500 milliliters of water. Now we'll mix everything well. After mixing, cover everything with a cloth and let it sit for 24 hours. During those 24 hours, whenever you pass by, give it a stir. And that's all the work for today. After 24 hours, your peppers should look like this. Next, peel and chop 1 or 2 heads of garlic. Choose the amount according to how much you like garlic. Add the chopped garlic to the peppers. I use 2 whole heads here. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of dried parsley leaves. Now mix everything well. With this prepared mixture, we'll fill sterilized jars. Sterilize the jars at 100 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, then fill them with the prepared peppers. Pack the peppers tightly. After packing, pour in the brine. I'm filling the last jar. This is the amount you'll get from 5 kilograms of cleaned red peppers. We'll seal each jar tightly and pasteurize them. If you're skipping pasteurization and using a preservative, add it before filling the jars. Use 5 grams of preservative and mix everything. Take a larger pot, place a cloth on the bottom. Then arrange the jars so they don't touch each other. Once the water boils, they won't knock against each other, which could cause them to break. Now pour water up to the first lid. Bring it to the heat. Once the water boils, cook for 15 minutes, turn off the heat, and leave it all to cool down together.